Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about equations involving radicals. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. I have here number 1, 5 is equals to square root of 4x minus 5 over 3. So number 1, we are asked to solve the value of x. And after this, I need to show you the solution, or I mean the checking. So first thing to do is to square both sides. Okay, so this will be 25 is equals to 4x minus 5 over 3. Since I don't have denominator for 25, I will put 1 serve as my denominator. And then apply cross multiplication. So this will be 4x minus 5 is equals to 25 times 3 is 75. Then solving for x, so this will be 4x is equals to 75. Since this is negative and then this will move to the right, this will become positive 5. So 4x is equals to 80. So divide both sides by 4, cross out. So my x value is equal to 20. Okay? So let us check by using the given equation. So I have 5 square root of 4 times 20 minus 5 is divided by 3. So 5 square root of 4 times 20 is 80 minus 5 over 3. So 5 is equal to square root of 75 divided by 3. So 5 is equals to 75 divided by 3 is 25. And we know that square root of 25 is 5. So therefore 5 is equal to 5. So therefore my number 1, which is x equals 20, is correct. Now let's proceed to number 2. I think this will be the last number. Number 2. Square root of x squared plus 6. Then plus 3. Sorry, plus x I mean. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So need to transpose this variable and this constant to the right. So this will be square root of x squared plus 6. Then this will be equal to 3. Then minus x. Then apply square both sides. Square both sides. So this will be squared. So this will be x squared plus 6 is equal to 3 minus x squared. Okay. So this will be x squared plus 6. Then this will be 3 minus x. 3 minus x. So this will be 9. Then minus 3x. Minus 3x. Then plus x squared. So this will be 9 minus 6x plus x squared. So this will be 9 minus 6x plus x squared. Then this will be transpose x squared to x squared. So this will be x squared minus x squared. Then this will be transpose also because this is the unknown. This will become plus 6x. And then constant will be placed at the right side. So take note, this is only 9. So this will transpose to the right. This will be minus 6. So cross out, that will be 0. Then I have here 6x is equal to 3. Then divide by 6, both sides. So x equals, take note, this is fraction, so need to divide by 3, both numerator and denominator. So this will be 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I have x equals 1 over 2. Now let us check. Okay, so this one will be square root from the given equation. Square root of 1 over 2 squared plus 6. Then 1 over 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this will be square root of 1 over 4. plus 6 plus 1 over 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So find the LCD first, which is 4. Take note, this is 1. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, times 1 is 1, plus 4 divided by 1 is 4, times 6, that will be 24, plus 1 over 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So this will be 25 over 4 plus 1 over 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So I need to erase in here. So square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 4 is 2. And then copy this one, plus 1 over 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Since I don't have a denominator for 3, I will put 1 serve as my denominator. I need to write properly. This will be 3 over 1. So LCD. So 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, times 5 is 5. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1, times 1. Then this will be 2 divided by 1 is 2, times 3, 6 is equal to 0. So this will be 6 minus 6 over 2 is equal to 0. So this will be 0 over 2 is equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. So therefore, my number 2 answer, which is x equals 1 over 2, is correct. By the way, don't forget to watch and subscribe my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. That's all.